Hi everybody, this is the Math 20-1 Radicals and Absolute Values review. This is question 22. I just need to basically expand this expression here and simplify it. So now, when I multiply this through, notice I'm going to get a root 5 here distributed to these two terms here. The root 10 has a root 5 in it. So the two coefficients here are 1 and 1, and then you multiply a root 5 by the root 5 in the 10. That's going to pull out a 5 here. So 5. And then out of the 10, there was still a 2 that I couldn't pair up with anything. Okay, so it just stays in there. Plus, if you distribute the root 5 to the 12 root 5, now 12 times 1 is 12. But root 5 times root 5 is 5, and then 5 times 12 is going to be 60. Okay, now moving on here. Look at the second term here. Negative root 7 times root 7 is going to be negative 7. Okay. Now, the next one here is going to be negative times a negative. Okay, so watch, that's going to end up being positive. Okay, the 14 has a root 7 in it. So when I multiply it by another root 7, there's going to be a pair of 7s there that I can pull out. Now, there was a 2 there already. So there was a 2 out front. I'm pulling out a 7, so it'll be 14 root. And then out of that root 14, there was a root 2 left over that I couldn't do anything with. So this is the result when I distribute those two coefficients, the root 5 and the negative root 7 here. And now what I want to do is group together like terms. I'll start with the terms that don't have radicals in them, those 60 and the minus 7s, because that's going to be pretty easy, 53. And then I've got 5 root 2's here and 14 root 2's here. So it's going to be plus 19 root 2. And when you compare that to the question says it can be written in the form a plus b root c. Well, that's exactly what I've got, a plus b root c. But you got to look at what they're asking for here. They're asking for the value of a plus b plus c. So and that's just a weird little tack on at the end here. But this is going to be 53 plus 19 plus 2. And I'm a pretty lazy thinker here, so I'm going to do 19 plus 2 first, because I know this is going to be 21. And if I add 53 and 21, that'll be 74. And so the answer that they're looking for here is the number 74.